Hey everybody, Frederick TLB here, and today I've got another haul. Got some mail that came, and I went to the local Toys R Us to see what they had new. I was thinking of maybe getting some of those video minifigures. Nothing new at all. Most of their stock was empty, and they just had all the old Harry Potter stuff from like a year, 2 years ago, filling all the gaps. And tons, like 50 boxes of Harry Potter minifigs. So anyway, I left. I was just I couldn't believe it. I got the last two of these ones. That's all they had in the store. The Series 21s. I got the last two. None of the other stores around here have anything new. Well, the Walmart does. They got more than the Toys R Us does, actually, with somewhat newer stuff in the city line of stuff. But that's not what I was interested in. I was looking for the minifigures, not in the video minifigures. Bandmates, as they call them, not the cubes. Because I think that's a totally ridiculous concept that's going to fail, like, or my opinion is it's going to fail as bad as Dimensions did and go by the wayside. It's just a big fad. And yeah, that's a topic for another day. Anyway, let's get into the haul, see what we got. So first off, might as well open the figures. I got them here first. And let's just see what we have in this package. I didn't even feel them because there wasn't any sense to, because they were the only two there. Oh, so I got the guy with the hermit crab. The beach bum with the hermit crab. Now that's sweet, okay? Yeah, I thought it might have been the beekeeper, because this bottle thing, I was looking for a bottle on the box and I couldn't find one, but I just happened to overlook it. I felt more like the beekeeper. Well, that's okay. I really wanted the hermit crab. That's awesome. So that's good. That's one guy. No matter which way, I can't lose here because I never had either of them before either. So now let's see what we got in here. We got a minifig, parts from China. Why do you say that? Well, rumor has it that anything that has a bag inside the bag, this separate bag comes from China, and it gets put in with the other minifigures. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but it wouldn't surprise me because a lot of the minifigures are made in China or Mexico, and you can also tell the quality on them isn't just quite as good as it used to be years ago when they were all made in Denmark. So anyway, it still annoys me that they're blind bags and you just can't get whatever you want. I think that just kind of ticks everybody off because everybody just ends up reselling them anyway, you know. And well, that's it. They go gets what they want out of it. And so anyway, this one comes from Rick's Brick Shop in East Angus, Quebec, Canada. More parts. I know what it is. It's more parts for my Sig Fig collection that I'm creating. And there they are, the Sig Fig parts. Nicely done. You've got the legs in one section, torsos in another, and the strawberry pie, and some minifig heads. And he says, oh, he's got the bricklink order number on it. Thank you. Okay, well, thanks, Rick, because that's very nicely done up. I like that. Appreciate that. I like to do mine up, you know, a little bit different, but also the same. I tape them down on the paper if I have to, or tape them together so that they sit flat and that they go through the mail properly. And you can get the best bang for your buck in the mail, especially in the mailers. Okay. This is another one from locally in Canada, from Edmonton, Alberta. So like this is from Out West. Now these are actually closer to me. These came yesterday. These are actually closer to me than the brick haul that I did a few days ago. They only took 5 days. These took better part of 10 days to get to me. So, alright. More black torsos. So you can see there. Oh, I'll put them here like that so you can see black torsos. More blue torsos red hats and white body figures. Chef's hat for one of my minifigures. Now most of these parts are from my minifig, so I can make a bunch of minifigs if someone wants them, type of thing. I will have them posted for sale. And then the stunt guy, he has no cape, but that's okay. I already got the torso from someone else that had no hands, but that's alright. I got to get a white cape for him, change the head and hair on him, which I got, and then we'll have Marty Grossman 23. That'll be your figure. I tried to go in your bricklink store, try to even figure out where to purchase one from you, of your sig fig. I couldn't find it. Maybe it's got buried somewhere, I don't know. So I don't even know if you sell them. So I just decided, well, I'll just get the parts and do that one myself. So some of the other parts I got are from my other YouTuber friends. So this is what I'm trying to do, collect their minifig sig figs right now. So basically this was a haul of minifigure parts. Custom minifigures. This is the, the custom collection, collectible. I shouldn't say custom, I take that back. These are the collectible minifigures. That's their name. Don't wear it out. Well, it probably will be worn out, but that. And the parts for the customized sig figs that I will be making myself. And that's the haul for today. My dad finally came by and finally finished his Land Rover. Probably have a chat with him about that. It's pretty cool. And so that's it. So that's it for today, my little haul, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. Remember, stay sharp, stay safe, wear a mask, Lego one if you have one, and happy building. Hey, if you want to see more of my Lego theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.